back up. Okay. Now you're going to take this again and you're going to go down. You do it. You do it. You do it.
And up. And down. And up.
Stay inside. Fill that pumpkin in.
And down.
Down.
And down.
And down.
Down.
Fill the pumpkin in. Fill that other side. Go over that paint.
Down.
Go down.
Down.
Now we're going to hop over to this side and we're going to go down on this side. Ready? Go down.
Down.
Mm-hmm.
Down.
And down.
Down.
Good.
Down.
Mm-hmm.
And down.
Mm-hmm.
And down.
Mm-hmm. Wonderful. We got it covered, don't we? You did great.
Don't put your face in it.
You'll have an orange pumpkin nose.
Yeah, you'll have an orange.
No.
Then you don't want to stick your nose. You wanted to smell
You'll have
it.
a
That
pumpkin
you
nose.
wouldn't. Okay, babes. Yeah, let's be respecting
All right.
personal space,
I'm
please.
going to just take my fingers, smooth out the edges. You did great job, Luke.
You did,
Great
Luke.